Okay, calm down, lady. You're a little bit too eager for that. Hey y'all, welcome to the channel. I'm Xavier. Today we're going to be watching Hot Frosty. It's a relatively new Netflix Christmas movie, and it says there stars Lacey Chabert, Dustin Milligan, Craig Robinson. It's supposed to be type of romantic comedy, and it says it's quirky, feel good, and goofy. So the synopsis for Hot Frosty is that she's a widow whose world has fallen apart. He's a snowman excited to be alive. Kathy and Jack have a lot to learn from each other before he melts. Promising a lot there. Let's see if it delivers. Keeping this very short. Let's get into it.
Since the dawn of time, Christmas fairy tales have often included the wonder of a snowman coming to life, destined to bring its magic to the right person.
We're just jumping right into it, I see.
But those fairy tales have never been told like this.
Yeah, romantic comedy with a snowman. Never seen that before. You're right. Jingle bells, jingle bell rock. Jingle bells chiming, jingle bell time.
In the frosty air, what a bright time, it's the right time
The night away
to go riding in a one-horse sleigh, jingle around
the
the
clock. Okay, what I can tell here is that her house is not in the best condition. Is she a widower? It's not widow, yeah, widow. Is she a widow? Divorced? What's happening for her there? You're showing us a lot movie so far. I love it. I love that start. Let's see.
You just worry about the bacon. I'm gonna worry about my heater.
And if you freeze to death, who's gonna sign my checks?
Okay, so she owns this restaurant. Cool.
Cool.
Well, chocolate chip pancakes are usually for Sunday brunch, but you know what? I'll make you some if your mom says it's okay. Okay, I guess we can make an exception.
Thank you, Miss Kathy.
Oh, of course. Have a seat.
Honey, can you bring... What's happening?
Yeah, what is happening? Oh, that's the scarf she was talking about?
But I really don't need it.
She's not gonna let you leave without it. Believe me.
Yeah, just take it and go.
You when you're out.
But it's gonna be some kind of catalyst for what's about to happen. A magic scarf. Something like that. Yeah.
Well, clearly you've been doing your push-ups.
Yeah, that's a wall sculpture, man. Wall sculpture. Mystical chimes. I love that description. Mystical chimes. Okay. Interesting. Wait, so is time still frozen, or is he just walking around naked with everybody able to see him currently?
This dog doesn't go in 10 seconds. I'm gonna try.
Oh, people can walk around and see now. Time is no longer frozen.
Not this time. It never happened.
Hi there. Oh! What was that?
I'm not sure. Let's investigate.
Okay, calm down, lady. You're a little bit too eager for that. No, you see, that's unbelievable. He should be cut. Should be some bruises. He's like his magical powers that brought him to life have given him some kind of impervious skin. Is that what's happening? I'm gonna tour out with that. Alright, that needs to be explained later. That needs to make some sense. She needs to fix that too. Come on.
I love talking. It's amazing. But if it can happen to me, it can happen to you.
Excuse me.
I was made of snow, and now I'm made of not snow. Can you believe it?
No, I really can't believe that. Aren't you cold? You look very cold.
No, I'm not cold.
Why don't you come inside and I can get you some food?
I've never had food before. Was that okay?
Great.
And you brought him inside?
Well, I couldn't just leave him out there, Isaac.
Yes.
He's clearly delusional.
You could have left him outside.
But what if he's dangerous?
Your friend's eating the jellies.
Thank you.
Hey man, hey, that's how they get you. Oh,
What the hell happened?
Craig Robinson is the chef.
How's your family?
You want to grab some breakfast at Kathy's? We're buying.
You can't buy me breakfast.
Why not?
It influenced the investigation.
Hope not. We've known you for 30 years.
I'm on the case, okay? There will be consequences.
All right, brother.
Tell him to keep the galoshes.
Doing way too much. Chill your roll, bro. Chill your roll.
Is it Jack? Right there? Like it says Jack? Is that you?
Oh, it could be. I love that name. Doesn't it sound cool?
No. Well.
Yeah, it's him.
Okay. Is this a prank? I get it. Okay, fine. I get it. Yeah, you built a snowman that looks like you, and is that what this is?
I feel strange.
How did you know I took that photo? Were you following me? Is this part of the joke?
I feel hot. Really hot?
No, really cold.
Crime doesn't pay. Oh, not here. Here in Hope Springs.
I'm sorry, can you speak up, please?
Man running naked in the plaza around 1. Old Mortimer and Ethel Jennings saw him while walking their dog.
Description.
Small, fluffy, plenty of little knife.
That's true.
What's the #1 way people would describe me, Ed?
Aggravating? Power hungry? Paranoid? Dramatic?
Hard on crime.
Okay, so all of that, what the sheriff said, is part what deputy, whatever his name.
I don't think the mayor went streaking. He's got a bad hip.
A man is defined by his actions, Ed.
What? He's got a carousel.
It's time to take action. Bring this man to justice.
You're looking at me?
Who are you talking to? Us?
So he says he doesn't remember anything before last night.
That's not good.
Obviously not good.
That's definitely not good.
Yeah.
He's ice cold, but appears to be sweating. Oh, maybe he's melting.
Yeah.
I was kidding. You cannot be serious.
Maybe he is melting.
What is the simplest explanation?
Yeah.
Drifter with severe memory loss.
But
a missing snowman?
And the cold?
Right, he stole the scarf. What about the picture? Coincidence. His subhuman temperature?
Yeah.
Factory-wide defects at the thermometer company. Or...
You're a wizard, Harry.
He's a snowman. And how cool would that be?
Yeah.
I want to stay with Kathy.
What? No. Kathy can't take care of you. She could barely take care of herself.
Okay.
None taken. Ugh. Fine.
Thank you. Do. I love you.
No, you don't.
I do. I love you.
What do you mean, who I am? I know who I am.
That is so funny. That looks just like a girl I went to high school with.
Oh, hey, Big Girls reference.
Bold original flavors. You'll take this delicious dish.
Also, I watched that Lindsay Lohan movie last year. I'm gonna put it as like a link somewhere there. Here, where? I don't remember where, but yeah. I think it's there.
I even wrote some recipes. There's this sweet potato casserole we make every Christmas Eve. Everyone loves it. Okay, you can't just go around telling everyone you love them because it doesn't make it special anymore. And it doesn't work like that. You don't just love someone right away. It's something that takes a long time to realize.
Yep, she's spitting bars. She's right. Bars, bars, bars.
Yeah, you know what? You can learn a lot from TV.
Can I say something?
Good stuff and bad stuff. You gotta be careful what you let them watch.
You got your tea?
Yes. And I want you to spell it.
Clock that T.
Clock it.
Clock that T.
Clock it.
Clock that T.
I do not tolerate funny business.
We know, Nate. There's nothing funny about you.
These seeing strangers, there's nothing more dangerous than blatant disrespect for law and order.
Alright. Now, how does he know what that means? Oh, he had cancer. Okay. I see.
Oh, whoa, no, not right now. Like, not... We don't change in front of people. We wait until no one's around.
Got it.
Yeah, I need you to just lay low.
Now?
Yes.
Lay. There's a whole show just about Christmas treats that I watched. I have no idea what a nog actually is, but it tastes great.
Oh. This is very,
Does it actually taste good?
it's very weird.
Oh, yeah, it is.
A nog, right?
No, your nog is... It's a fantastic nog.
What's cancer?
It's not a nice thing that happens to some people.
And that's what happened to Paul?
Yeah. That's why it's fallen apart since he's been gone, but... You know, like everything else.
Yep, that makes sense. I clocked it. I clocked that.
Do you mind putting it in the oven? Just because I turned on the oven earlier today and I do not like the oven.
I love how you put a label on it that says hot. Oh, and the rest of the stove too. Alright.
Here's the thing. People who just met, they don't really go on vacation together.
Why not?
Because it's...
Because they just don't.
Yeah, it's not safe.
Sorry, I'm just not much of a hugger.
Oh, sorry, I didn't know.
Installed the damaged plywood decking, the asphalt shingles, and the leaking attic vent.
Okay, wait. Who's this lady? Her mother or something like that? Pay attention, man.
You're stuck in there pretty bad. You want me to get behind you and push?
Yes.
Huh?
She does.
Yeah. Ready for me?
I'm ready. Yeah. Oh, it's working.
Okay, great.
Good. Oh, if the girls could see me now.
Whoa.
Try driving now.
Okay. Yes.
There you go.
She forgot about driving.
Okay. Woo. Woo.
Wow, okay.
I am out of breath.
Oh, yeah, me too.
I'm just staying with her as long as she'll let me.
Wow, lucky cat. I live close by, and you seem very good with your hands.
Oh, come on. Oh, this lady is... What? Okay.
I'm an older lady who just had an accident. You should see to it that I get home safe.
You don't seem that old.
Oh, you are definitely coming home with me.
Okay, sure. I'm just gonna put on a shirt.
Oh.
Darn it.
Oh, this lady is begging for it. Oh my gosh.
Pressure medication this morning.
No, she's not. Oh, come on.
Would any of you be able to give me a ride to the diner?
Oh man, these ladies. Chill.
Thanks so much.
Yeah. Easy.
You cannot be running around like this. There are people in town looking for you.
Like who?
The sheriff.
Like the sheriff.
Like that sheriff? Hello, stranger. We should speak up. He can't hear you.
Why is there no beverage for that ice, Jack?
Because I like to eat the ice, Sheriff.
Okay, what is this? Come on. not the movie. I'm just talking about what is the sheriff doing? Like, chill, bro. You don't not need to do this. Some kind of weird shit. That's way too much ice in a cup after what they were doing.
Ice.
I don't think you realize how much trouble you're in.
I realized
Remember the guy?
what they were doing, but yeah, I know it just bothered me. I don't know. It just irked me out. I know that's the rare thing to be irked about in the movie with the magical snowman,
Jail.
but you know,
Oh.
it kinda, yeah.
Why are you so mad? I'm just trying to help people. I'm trying to do what you do.
It's different.
Why?
Because you're on the run.
Not wanted for breaking and entering. Because I don't claim to be made of ice. A dozen reasons.
Yeah, it is different.
I'm sorry, Kathy. I'm going to that school tomorrow.
Oh.
And
Yeah, he fixed the roof. See, I don't remember how that looked before, so I'd have to look back when I'm editing to see. But yeah, just a note. Oh yeah. Oh no, that I do remember that because they focused on that step like a couple times. So yeah, that was musty, rank, awful.
In the sky.
Jennifer Coolidge, what is that? Also, do not be in the bed with his shoes on, please, Jack. She should teach him that. Yeah.
I just want to make the most of the time that I have while I'm here.
I respect it. I respect you, bro. I respect that mindset.
Lay low. Got it?
Yeah. No Uggs.
Help us out. Katie, do you know Matthew? Matthew, Katie, Matthew? Okay, you guys work on that together, all right? Thank you.
Alright. That got me. They kind of left that shot on a little long, don't you think? Alright, but director, editor's choice, but you know, kind of felt kind of long, like a second or two too long, but you know.
The whole town loves me, and you're in town.
Stop right there. Okay, sorry, I used the wrong word. The word love is just not in my vocabulary right now.
Why not?
Because that's why.
Yeah, she's heartbroken, bro.
Well, that's not a reason.
It can be.
I am not convinced that I can really love someone right now because I'm not convinced I have figured out how to love myself without Paul. I haven't found my way forward yet.
That's cool. Hey, take your time. No rush.
I'm getting grief counseling from a snowman.
Yeah, you are.
Just talking to a friend. Or, tenant, sorry.
No, you're friends. You're friends.
No. You were right the first time.
Yeah, they're friends by now. That's very clear.
There's this site on the computer where you can just order anything you want for people. It's great.
Okay, how did you pay for it?
They didn't ask, so it must have been some kind of giveaway or something. Thing, because that glass was not cheap.
Okay, here's the thing. My computer has my credit card information. So when you use my computer...
Oh, no.
Yeah.
It's fine. You know what? You fix the roof, we're even. But that is the only thing you ordered, right?
No.
Gotta go. Lay low. I did it. I broke your window, and I stole your clothes.
Of course.
You're not mad?
Nobody can be mad at Christmas.
Oh, yes, they can. Oh, by the way, she doesn't get...
Hi, Kathy.
Well, she doesn't get alerts on her phone about payments or whatever.
Based on Mortimer's description.
Ethel couldn't describe him?
We needed a description of his face.
She was not looking at his face.
How does a bowl of soup sound?
How does a bowl of soup sound? I see. Maybe, Michael.
Have a bowl of soup.
I'd arrest a baby for a good beef party.
Arrest a baby? It's not that serious, man.
Because you can replace the glass, but you can't replace the pain.
We didn't replace the pane. A whole new pane of glass here.
Pain. Like P-A-I-N. Pain.
Why would I want to replace pane?
Metaphor. I know what I meant. That's what's important.
Yeah, exactly.
Or maybe he's got something to hide. Boss. Or maybe he's got something to hide.
Hilarious. I gotta give this show props. It's very not a great movie. It's not at all, but
Wow. This looks so...
It's hitting a lot of spots. It's hitting.
You going to the dance with somebody? Oh, great. Wait, no, not great. Going with me?
I'd really like that. Yeah.
Cool. Yeah, right. Totally.
Alright. Decent acting, kid. I'll give you props. I see the potential in him. Okay.
Cool.
He's gonna ask out Kathy. Yeah.
Got you right where we want you.
Did you say something? Who are you talking to?
Just Christmas.
I need some advice. I have a date.
So silly.
You are not so bad yourself. With that smile and how you have your mustache, but it's like just the bottom half. It's so confident.
Yeah, thank you. That was me.
Those dark brown pocket lapels are the perfect thing to accentuate your lower chest.
That's what I said. That's the exact thing I said. You're having fun, and you're paying her attention to make sure she's having fun. It'll be golden.
Yeah.
That's the face?
That's the face. It's like I want to make out with your face, you know? Okay?
What in the name of God?
Yeah, I would be worried too.
I just haven't been asked to a school dance in a really long time, and
I have been trying to lay low, like you wanted, this whole time. But for once, I just want to stand tall with you. Even if it's just for one night.
yes.
Yes?
Yes.
Yes!
What do you think about going on a shopping trip?
Okay, montage time?
Woman, walking down the street, pretty woman, the kind I like to meet, pretty.
And he is the pretty woman in this case. If you're going by the Pretty Woman movie, he is the pretty woman. And she is Richard Gere. Lacey Chabert is Richard Gere. no. Yeah. Yeah. Not bad, not bad, not bad.
Here's a step-by-step guide. Step 1.
You ready?
Yeah.
Wow.
I am ready.
Look good, yeah, girl. Look good. Right. I will not edit up my body will look good.
At the scene. Yeah. I am.
There is another thing that I bought online.
What did he buy? Is that a ring?
Jack.
Oh.
It'd be nice to commemorate our time together.
Is that a necklace?
Oh, may I, just... Here. No, I'm ready.
Ready for what?
What? Oh, nothing. It's just a normal dance thing. Hey,
They have a dance routine?
brought a date to the dance.
Oh, nice. Which one is she?
She's right over there, the adult.
Yeah, of course.
I just had my very fashionable mustache friend teach me, so why don't we go ask them together and then I'll show you as we go, yeah?
All right. No.
Okay. Yeah.
Big W for you, Jack. Big W.
You can hold me closer if you'd like.
Oh, I don't want to melt. You're giving off a lot of heat right now. I think it's worth the risk.
Yeah, I would take the risk too. Not gonna lie, I would.
Thank you for the dance.
No, we're not done yet.
Oh no. You do need to be careful though, you were soaking wet.
No, I know. I never had that much fun before. I mean, dancing is so great. And you look so beautiful.
She does.
Does that help?
It would if you had a normal body temperature.
Do you want me to stop?
No.
I didn't say that.
Sorry. Let's get you inside.
What was that? We're gonna need that explanation.
The truth is, I don't know how much more time that I have left. And even though I want to fill every minute of it with you,
Okay.
I can't help but feel like I'm being selfish.
Alright, I understand. I see. He doesn't want to make her fall in love with him and stuff.
So you know the pain of being left behind.
Yeah. Because he might be gone soon,
The more I
so.
fall in love with you, the more I know I could never hurt you like that.
Big W, Jack. I respect it, man.
Someone who has no relationship experience, you're one heck of a romantic.
I thought you weren't a hugger.
Sometimes it's.
An exception.
Yeah.
Stimulated by the freezing cold of your naked flesh. To see the faces of the elderly, horrified by your exposed nether regions.
Does it have a camera on it?
Of course. There's had to be some way for the sheriff to find out. Like, kind of the fans.
Family and friends, co-workers.
Criminals. Who committed the crime?
No, we haven't all been wondering that.
Sunglasses in the bathroom?
How long have you been in the bathroom?
I think they wanted to make an entrance.
Oh. You guys, I'm out there every day working for you, keeping you safe. And what do I get? Never a thank you, always some giggles, patronizing remarks.
Yeah.
Since I've been sheriff, we haven't had a single murder in Hope Springs.
We haven't had a murder in Hope Springs in 100 years.
You're welcome. Went streaking 2 weeks ago.
Okay, so it's been 2 weeks.
You under arrest.
What do you mean, different?
He's a snowman. That magic.
you just buy that he's a snowman? It's Christmas.
Okay. Alright, whatever.
Man, that sweet's just gotta be magic, don't you think?
Yeah, okay. Now I see. Okay, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. No fingerprints?
No prints. You burned them off.
No, I was born like this.
But you can't slip through my crack, amigo.
Oh, whoa.
$2,000.
$2,000? Are you kidding me?
He's a sleeper agent.
In case I don't make it.
No, you listen. You save your just in cases, okay?
You saw him in there. He is melting.
Criminals sweat when they get caught. It's called guilt.
Please.
I'm happy to let him go free tonight. But my hands are tied.
No, you don't.
A suspect free without bail.
Come on.
I've got $80.
Really, Ed?
Asking you to accept this. Bail him out, Nate. Please.
Sheriff Hunter is doing way too much. Come on, but bro, chill. It is not that serious.
You're still like 10 shy. Matthew, what are you doing here?
Helping, Dad.
This man did a bad thing. Why are you helping him?
Because he's my friend.
A man is defined by his actions.
Here's the opportunity for you to be defined by yours.
Give everybody their money back. I'll let him go.
Alright, good.
I gave your dad $200.
Oh, shut up, Marty. You gave him a buck.
Jack?
Jack! Come on, you're a doctor. Do something.
What? You can't defibrillate a snowman.
Yeah. What can she do?
Look. I know you didn't ask to come alive.
Is that kiss gonna bring him back to life?
I mean, it's crazy. It's been 2 weeks, and I know I'm a rational person. But I am falling in love with you.
Kathy, he's gone. Let Sheriff Hunter take care of this.
Yeah, y'all don't need to be seeing all that. If he was actually dead, you don't want to see like just people gawking at this dead man in the street.
Kathy?
Look back. So cool. Not cool, but like so cool that they did that.
I thought you were dead.
Numb, but it also kind of hurts. Like I'm...
Here.
He's no longer made of snow.
You're cold.
He got turned into a human.
He's cold.
He's cold.
He's cold. I'm cold.
Shut up.
Nobody cares, Mortimer.
I'm real.
Okay, she did. Okay, I've never heard this song before. My bad.
Your turn.
Oh, she's wearing his
Hawaii?
Merry Christmas, Jack.
Merry Christmas, Kathy.
Ta-da!
We tell everybody a little story.
A little story about.
Oh, okay. Post credit.
Here in Hold Spring. You're really doing this on New Year's Eve? It's not New Year's Eve, it's Christmas Eve. You're doing this on Christmas Eve?
He came to life?
Yes, I know.
Hey, Jack. Oh, I didn't get to.
A song to you all.
Sing along.
Everybody.
Here in Hold
Spring.
Spring.
Here in Hope Springs. Hope Springs.
I think we gotta go again, okay?
Jerry!
Cut.
That was a good time. I got it. Good time. Alright guys, so that was Hot Frosty, and I gotta say, I really like that. So it's not like the best movie ever made or anything like that, but it was really spoke to me. It really gave like they said it would give. Let me go back to the description. So it says romantic comedy movie. It was a rom-com, not like the best rom-com ever, but I don't know, I felt the chemistry a little bit between them. It wasn't like say banging like 100 out of 100, but it was above. It was like average, you know, like 65-70%, something like that. I could feel, you know, they were really cute together, all that a little bit. I felt the chemistry when they were in the end. It was there, so I gotta give it to them. They did that, so and there was romance, there was comedy. It was a rom-com, nice little Christmas rom-com, and yeah, I could like it. Yeah, I like it. It's not the best rom-com ever made, but it's genre rom-coms. It's a passing grade. Yeah. Quirky, feel good, goofy. Tick, tick, tick. Very quirky, very goofy. Lots of silliness. There were some feel good moments. Some of it felt a little bit like over the top with the feel good and stuff, and like the leaps in the story. The suspension of disbelief, it threw me a few times, so I say that, like I was saying in my reaction, like with someone who's like it's a movie about a snowman who comes to life, you know, so we're already stretching the suspension of disbelief, so you'd think everything would just roll off from that, but it doesn't. So that some of those moments were a little bit too much, so it detracted from the movie. Like I spotted some things. And I came out with a carousel glasses. That was fine, but it was just like I don't remember. But I spoke about it in the reaction, so you see me point out those moments in the reactions. Like the credit card. She doesn't have emails coming on her credit card on our phone, or anything about like purchase or anything like that. I understand like automatic purchases, that makes sense, but she's not notified. She's not checking that. Well, so a big purchase of a paint necklace doesn't, like an expensive like necklace, that doesn't pop for her. So that was the thing. But I just had to point out those few negatives. Like sometimes it just didn't hit, but overall like 80% of it worked for me. And so give the movie props. I see why people would like it. I can also see why some people hate it. They just don't buy into it. They just don't feel the vibe. But if you are open to it and if it hits you like that, it is a very quality Christmas feel-good film, and it just gives you a lot of joy and some jokes. If the jokes don't land for you, you're not like it. If the jokes land for you, because there are lots of attempts at humor in the movie. Most of them work for me. Most of them work. So if they don't work for you, you're not gonna like this. But if you're like me and you found them funny, it's gonna work for you. And so, yeah. Will I watch it again? Probably, yeah. there are lots of movies where I wouldn't watch it again, but like this, I could definitely like watch it again with like a date or something like that. You know, you're sitting around, just something to cozy up to. Yeah, it could work like that. I could definitely see that. So it passes the test. It passes the test for me. Right. So those are my thoughts. And yeah, see you next time. Goodbye.